にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today's video is very special one. I'm gonna show you how to use my videos to improve your Japanese speaking skills. 会話 conversation. Japanese improves dramatically when you practice it in the right way. My videos are designed so you can practice 文法 grammar, 発音 pronunciation, intonation, and 聴解 listening all together. In this video, I'll tell you 5 steps that will reliably improve your Japanese skill. Let's begin with the first step. 1番目. Always do the test at the end of each video after watching the grammar video, 文法. And then make your own sentences using that grammar. At least 3 sentences. Grammar doesn't become usable or useful just by knowing it. It only becomes yours when you use it in your own sentences. One example using this grammar that I already explained, たばかり. I just arrived in Japan, so there are still many things I don't understand. 日本に来ます。来ました。日本に来たばかりです。日本に来たばかりなので、まだわかりません。わからない。わからないこと。わからないことが多いです。日本に来たばかりなので、まだわからないことが多いです。Try making 3 sentences that match your real daily life. Now let's move on to the second method. 2つ目の方法 method. This method is called shadowing. And it greatly improves your ability to speak Japanese. In my video, first I said example sentences very slowly, and then I repeat the same sentence again at a natural speed. There is no pause after the example sentences. In other words, you shouldn't wait. You should speak at the same time as I do. This is real shadowing. For the first slow version, maybe you can write it down. But in the second part, at natural speed, try to overlap your voice with mine. It doesn't need to be perfect from the beginning. Maybe you can repeat it many times. What matters is moving your mouth the moment you hear it. When you can do this, Japanese starts coming out naturally in real conversations. Let's try one example. Did you do something special? 何か特別なこと特別なことをしましたか何か特別なことをしましたか何か特別なことした ?The third method 3つ目の方法 At the end of my videos, there's always a listening section in Japanese only. Listening comprehension 紹介. This section is not only for listening. It's also meant to help you practice speaking. And the important thing is that you can do shadowing while reading the subtitles in Japanese. In my videos, Japanese subtitles are clearly shown from the beginning of that section. Try to overlap your voice with mine, matching the timing and rhythm. You don't need to understand every word. What matters is moving your mouth first. Then you can get a good practice of intonation, and 発音, pronunciation. For example, you can practice a shadowing with this sentence. Thank you very much for watching till here. 今日もここまで見てくださってどうもありがとうございます。今日もここまで見てくださってどうもありがとうございます。Just overlapping your voice while reading the subtitles already works very well. Repeating this is good for your listening and speaking skills. Now let's move on to the fourth method. 4つ目の方法. This one is about writing a short diary in Japanese every day. 日記 diary 日記. You don't need to write long texts. 3 sentences are enough. Even one single sentence is better than nothing. The goal of this exercise is not to write perfect sentences. The most important thing is to organize your thoughts in Japanese. If possible, try to write using only the words you already know, without using a dictionary. Because in a real conversation, you don't have time to look for words in a dictionary. If there's something that you really want to say, but you don't know how to say it in Japanese, then leave it in your language. And just add, 日本語で何というかわからない。これの日本語がわからない。I don't know how to say this in Japanese. It's easier to keep going on if you write about things that really happened or about your feelings, how you felt that day. When you write Japanese diary, always start with the date. For example, January the 5th, 2026. Then the first, 2026年, the year. And the month, 1月, and the 5th day, 5日. And here, gets Monday. Use the numbers and kanjis as I show you here. For the days of the week, for example, Monday, 月曜日, we don't use 曜日, only this kanji means the moon, 月, but here we pronounce 月, Monday, only 月. It means we only use these characters, 月, 火, 水, 木, 金, 土, 日. 月火水木金土日. Let's see an example of a diary. Today, I went to a stylish cafe with my friend, and I had a very good time. 今日、友達とおしゃれなカフェ、おしゃれなカフェに行きました。とても 楽しい、楽しかった、楽しかったです。今日、友達とおしゃれなカフェに行きました。とても楽しかったです。This word, おしゃれ, this is not adjective and it means very stylish, good taste, fashionable. I'm a bit tired today. This is all for my diary. Tomorrow I'll do my best. 今日は少し疲れます。疲れています。疲れている。疲れているから。疲れているから。日記はこれだけ。日記はこれだけ。明日。明日は頑張ります。今日は疲れているから日記はこれだけ。明日は頑張ります。If you keep writing this kind of short diary, the time you spend thinking in Japanese increases naturally. As a result, Japanese sentences come out more easily when you speak. It's okay if you can't do it every single day. Write whenever you can and as much as you can. The most important thing is to keep going over time. Now let's move on to the fifth method. 5つ目の方法。5-minute self-talk where you speak out loud by yourself. Choose one topic and talk about it in Japanese for 1 to 5 minutes. Even 30 seconds is fine at first. What matters is consistency. The topic can be really something very simple. Your plans for today, the place you wanna visit, or something you wanna eat. I'm gonna show you some examples. Today, I'm going to the supermarket in the morning. After that, I plan to go to the gym. 今日は午前中にスーパーへ行きます。その後でジムに行きます。行くつもりです。今日は午前中にスーパーに行きます。その後、ジムに行くつもりです。I really need to tidy up my room, but I just can't be bothered right now. 部屋を片付けます。片付けなければなりません。片付けなきゃ。片付けなきゃ。めんどくさい。めんどくさいな。部屋を片付けなければなりません。めんどくさい。部屋を片付けなきゃ。めんどくさいな。Talking about your real life helps Japanese flow more naturally. The great thing about this exercise is that it boosts your speaking speed and reflexes. As you spend more time thinking in Japanese, sentences start coming out more easily. You don't have to make perfect sentences. Use just the words that you can. Self-talk is perfect for practicing conversation without feeling nervous. If you do it every day, Japanese will start coming out instantly in real conversations. In my membership videos, I speak entirely in Japanese with subtitles in Japanese. I speak slowly and use gentle, simple Japanese. I also write all the Japanese subtitles myself. So it's totally fine if the listening is too difficult for you yet, then you can read it at the same time. At first, you can listen to the story calmly and then do shadowing while reading subtitles. It's a great exercise. Membership videos are especially effective for improving listening and natural rhythm of Japanese. It helps a lot with shadowing, listening, and expanding your vocabulary. Let's improve your Japanese. いかがでしたか？今日は私の動画をどのように使えば皆さんの日本語の会話力がぐーんと伸びるのか、そのコツについてお話ししました。日本語は正しい方法で練習すると驚くほど早く伸びます。私のチャンネルの動画は文法、発音、イントネーション、リスニング、これらをまとめて一緒に練習することができるように作られています。今日のこの動画では日本語の会話力が絶対に伸びる5つのステップを紹介しました。絶対に試してみてくださいね。今日もここまで見てくださってどうもありがとうございます。皆さんの役に立つような動画をこれからも作っていくつもりです。応援してください。ではまた次の動画でお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。じゃあバイバイ、またね。